our 4-door commercial freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have at least 47.25 inches in length, a depth of 26.75 inches. Overall height with caster wheels, we have at least 75.75 inches tall. Coming to the top and bottom will be separate compartments for storage. And to your left and right will be the temperature gauge to control the top and the bottom. Highest and lowest set point for your freezer can be used simultaneously or separately when this freezer is in operation. Included will be a single shelf for the first and bottom level. Measurement for the shelf will include 29.5 inches in depth by 42.5 inches in length. The measurement also applies for the bottom shelf as well. Interior dimensions will include 20 inches in depth by 26.5 inches in height. And the overall length will be at least 43.25 inches. And again, the left and right temperature controller can be used simultaneously or separately for the first and second bottom compartment of this freezer. Lowest and highest set point can be adjusted. And please note that the temperature reading will be in Celsius. Last but not least, coming to the back will be our 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.